Hello class, Mr. Geisler here today. And we're going to talk today about order of operations and simplifying expressions, okay? And the basic thing is that we're just going to do numbers. So remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, okay? Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide. Remember, these two can go in any order and add, subtract. So I can subtract before I add, but I would never subtract or add before I would multiply or divide. So let's take a look at this first one here, okay? What do I have here? 9 minus 4, in parentheses, times 3 to the second power.
James, if you're in the building.
All right, so I want to share this with you, okay? I want to go with what's in the parentheses, right? That's always number 1. So this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3, both either or. And this is number 4. So I'm going to go 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 times the exponent of 3 squared. Now I'm going to do not 5 times 3. That's multiplied. That's below exponents. I'm going to do 3 squared. This power means multiplying it out how many times? Twice. 3 times 3. 1, 2 3s. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. The idea here is we want to be able to do mental math. We want to be able to try to do this in our heads, if possible. Great. Let's take a look at this one. 24 divided by 3 times 2, minus 3 to the second power. Again, no parentheses, so I'm going to go with the exponents. I'm going to use a method that I call erasing. That's why I use a pencil and eraser is really important. I'm going to go like this, 3 squared. Do we know what 3 squared is? Aha, we do. That's 9, okay? And that's equal to. Now, am I going to divide before I multiply? It says multiply before divide. Can I do them in any order? Yes, I can. So, I'm going to go 24 divided by 3, and I'm going to erase that, okay? So I'm going to erase that. I'm going to put in 8. 8 times 2 minus 9. Multiply or subtract. Multiply comes before subtracting or adding, right? So now 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. So that's how I get my answer of 7. If I do them in any other order, I'm going to get a different answer, and that would be incorrect or wrong, okay? So we have to do them in the exact order of PEMDAS. And finally, I'm going to do this one just by following PEMDAS, okay? So this one is something over something. I'm going to simplify the top and then simplify the bottom. So I'm going to do 2 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, right? So I'm going to go 2 times 25. 2 times 25 is 50. Okay? And that's because this is subtracting and this is dividing. I'm going to do it from left to right. So this is multiplied first. Minus 8 divided by 4. All over. Now, what do we do down here? The parentheses. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 2. Right, let's keep going. 50 minus 8 is 42. Uh-oh. Did I subtract before I divided? I did. So I'm going to actually divide. 8 divided by 4. 50 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. All over 6 times 2, which is 12. Now finally I'm getting there. 50 minus 2 is 48. 48 over 12. How many times is 12 going to 48? Can we figure that out? 12, 24, 36, 48. So that's 4 times. The answer would be 4. So that's what we're doing today. Simplifying operations, simplifying expressions with order of operations.